Welcome to the Dhanush VidMed telemedicine platform. Our platform is compliant with the latest MCI guidelines. So there are two aspects of VidMed platform: web URL, which is for the doctor side, and the mobile application, which is for the patient side. This is the web URL part for the doctor login. For the first time, the doctor needs to get registered onto our platform by clicking on this doctor registration button. Here, we require all the basic details from the doctor, such as name, date of birth, age, gender, mobile number, etc. Also, the doctor can add his qualification from the drop down, and also they can add the specialization from the drop down. If the doctor wants to charge for the consultation, they can click on yes and select the consultation charges they want to charge from the patient. Apart from that, doctor can select the available slot time, like from which the doctor is available to consult patient. Also, they can select the consultation preferred language. So after getting on board on our platform, we will be providing the doctors with login credentials. Doctor can log in into his account by entering those credentials. After logging in, the doctor can see the landing page of the application. So this is the landing page of the application. After selecting the time frame, the doctor can see the previous consultation he has made during that particular time frame, and they can also download the prescription by clicking on the this click button. Now for the doctor side, when the patient makes the call, the doctor will receive the pop-up notification. Doctor can accept the call and the call will get started. On the right hand side, the doctor can clearly see the video of the patient, and if the doctor wants to see whether his video is going through, he can scroll down the video, and they can here the doctor can see his video also. On the left hand side, there is an option of previous consultation. If this is the follow-up consultation, doctor can see the information of the previous consultation of the patient from here. It includes all the consultation the patient has made previously. The doctor can see the details of the patient, such as the name, gender, age, and mobile number. After that, we have these 9 tabs under plan of care through which doctor can provide consultation. First, we have the COVID-19 checklist. The doctor can ask the details from the patient and can fill this checklist. After filling all the details, doctor can click on the save button and move on to the chief complaint tabs. Here, the doctor can select the complaints from the drop down menu and click on the save button. Similarly, he can add the history of the present illness. So he can type the days and click on add button. Doctor can also ask for the vitals such as temperature, pulse, etc. So doctor can type in the temperature and similarly click on add, it will get added. Similarly, a doctor can do or put the information in all the tab. After clicking on confirm button, it will show you the summary of the consultation. After clicking on the save button, the consultation will get over and the PDF format of the prescription will be sent to the patient. After the consultation gets over, doctor will be redirected to this screen. Here, the doctor can see the details of the consultation that he has just made, and if he wants to see the PDF format of the prescription, he can click on this button. The PDF will get downloaded on the system and the doctor can view that PDF. This is all about the doctor side of the Dhanush VidMed telemedicine platform. Thank you.